hull liner. The hull liner is the third piece to go in the hull. There's the hull, the grid, and then the hull liner. And that's the hull liner. That forms the furniture inside the boat.
Okay, thank you. What are they doing here?
They're rolling out the fiberglass to get the right combination of resin and fiberglass.
מתקן ההרכבה 375.
They have the head, they're putting in some of the boat.
Yes.
It's part of the hull.
Yes.
Because our hull mold, we put a transom on the hull mold and we laminate the transom inside the hull mold. Then we take the mold apart and pull the boat out as one piece. Everybody else, this part is part of the deck. And they have a joint right here going all the way around the boat. I don't think it's very strong. Well, it's not as strong as the way we do it. We mold in the transom as a part of the hull, so it's all a monocoque structure. And our hull and deck joint is up here, not in the water.
Okay.
A little more work. We have an extra mold.
But much stronger.
Superior boat. And you never have the rub rail in the water. It's water and it's fiberglass. After the deck goes down, it'll be fiberglass trimmed and fiberglass at the top and bottom. It's a watertight collision bulkhead.
So other manufacturers don't do that?
If you damage the boat,
Yes.
anywhere from here forward,
No.
you're not going to take water into the boat. We also put below the bottom of this compartment, can't see it down there, but
Yeah.
in the bottom is a floor, and below the floor we fill with high density foam so that you have a crumple zone, an impact absorbing zone. And it just goes just above the water line. So if someone were to hit a container or a reef with that part of the boat, it would absorb the impact and not transmit that impact to the boat and cause further damage. I think a very, very important safety feature. Overseas, go on with a cradle.
בדיקת הצפה במים, מנועים, לפני המשלוח. בודקים כל סירה. קיל עשוי מעופרת ולא מברזל. יותר יקר, יותר כבד, הרבה יותר יציב לסירה. שני סוגי קיל לבחור, בכנפיים או קיל הרגיל. הנגריה, כל הריהוט פנימי עשוי מתיק, זה השולחן, תיק מסיבי, לא ממולא. התיק עובר 15 שכבות של לקה.
These aren't finished yet.
זה עוד לא גמור. קטלינה 355.
That's it. Yep.
התא הקדמי.
Starboard. Zarkor makes one to fit in the old roller. Probably. Some people just take it and they just rower it out. Yeah, not that good. Great. Get out of your way.